This is some monkey bread my mom made. What do you think about it, Jeremiah?
It's about to be good.
So we're making a gingerbread house. It's pretty little. Are you guys excited? How about you, Parker? They just finished the gingerbread house. Looking pretty cool. It's got a doorknob, everything on there.
Got gumdrops on it.
We have doorknobs.
Pretty cool. Oh, there you go.
This is Andrew's cat, my brother's cat, Sabatian. Look, zoom in. He has a little name tag that says Sabatian the First. He's cute as fuck. Say hi, Sabatian.
Pretty small.
He's kind of nervous. He's only like 9 weeks.
9 weeks old?
Yeah. He's a kid. He's like nervous right now, I think, because he doesn't know yet. Look, he's trying to